I'm Ananya Pandey and I just worked for Gaurav Gupta. I mean, very, very different. On 2 hours on screen, you got to build a character and you get to get deep into it and do so much. But I think in 30 seconds, the outfit does all the talking. So I'm not taking that pressure. It's the outfit's responsibility. I feel like Gaurav is very passionate about everything that he does. Like the moment I put this on, it was the first outfit that I tried, and we both knew that I had to wear this. But I just loved the way he was describing his own collection and the thought that's gone behind it. But then when we got here, he was so chill. So he's someone who really embodies having fun with fashion. And as someone who obviously likes having fun, that was really nice to see. He was not letting me channel anything because he kept talking and making jokes and so much. So he just wanted me to chill out because he knows I'm a very stressed out person. That's a good question actually. I used to be more Luna, but now I think I've become Sola. I really like the energy and the lightness and the happiness and the joy I feel when I'm out in the sun. A trend that I'm obsessed with is bandanas. Obsessed. And a trend that I want to leave behind is small bags. Like I need a big bag, I need to fit a lot of stuff. I mean, the question is the answer itself. You're wearing couture. It's like you're wearing art. I think it's so special. I want to buy that. Ethereal, progressive and balanced. I feel ethereal, I feel like a progressive bride, and I think that's something that Gigi does so well. He mixes Indian craftsmanship with so much innovation. I feel edgy, I feel cool, I feel the Sola and Luna energy, and so just a lot. All the little flower detailing, it's all hand cut flowers, and it took 1,500 hours to make, so it feels like I'm honestly wearing and walking in art. My favorite part about collaborating with Gigi is he's such a creative genius and he's so chill. He just didn't let me feel stressed at all, and last minute he had the idea of putting like the septum nose ring on, which I thought was so cool and so fun. Honestly, it's very tough in this Mumbai ki garmi, so if you all have any tips, please tell me because I have no idea.
We are backstage at my show, Lights On.
As an actor, just even in this, I don't feel like Ananya when I'm wearing this. I feel like, okay, I'm feeling like a different
The Gigi
an
Nim.
Apsara.
The Gigi Nim.
Yes.
Yeah, she was listening to this Apsara song in a
Apsara,
van, complete.
fairy, goddess. I'm just feeling like really different. So I think fashion teleports actors.
The thing is, film and fashion has always been parallel to each other because they're such both cultural pillars of our society everywhere, and they kind of shape our cultural thought process consciously and subconsciously. And I feel the parallel is like there's so much fashion in film and there's so much cinema in fashion. So in the sense, fashion is full of theatrics. Fashion, they're both extremely refined ways of expressing art.
Yeah, and in India, this catches everyone's attention.
Yeah, the thing is, in India, the thing is, Bollywood is a parallel universe for the whole world because it is made of dreams. Bollywood is dreams. Bollywood is about dance. It is that ancient Indian culture of celebration, and this is where the celebration of fashion and film comes together.
It's strong and it has like a feminine and masculine energy both at play, which I really like to see. I mean, I think the outfit is doing the talking itself. It's ethereal. I feel like a really cool, modern, progressive bride. They took 1,500 hours to make this outfit, so I'm just very grateful that I'm the one wearing it. My mom and my dad. What's the most fun part about walking the ramp? Just the energy you get from the audience. They're always so supportive and cheering you on. And also when you reach the paps at the end, they always end up saying something funny or the other, and I just start laughing. Just have fun. This is hopefully only going to happen once in your life, so just enjoy it.